The yoke for the Confetti DK Pullover is made up of increases at the four raglan corners. Sometimes these increases will fall on a single crochet. Other times they will fall on a chain space. Other times the markers will be placed where no increase is needed. In this video, I will show you how to make each kind of increase and where to place the markers after each increase.
When the marker is in a chain space and you need to increase, you're going to remove the marker, insert your hook and make a single crochet in that chain space, chain one and single crochet in that same chain space. And the marker will remain in the chain in between the two single crochets. So it's always in the middle of the increase. And then you can continue in linen stitch. When their marker is on a single crochet and you need to increase, the increase will look like this. Chain one, single crochet, chain one. And the marker will go onto that single crochet, and I will continue with a single crochet in the next chain space. And I have increased 2 stitches and my marker is in the middle stitch of my increase. When we have a marker in a chain space and there is no increase on the next row, all we have to do is simply work a single crochet there and place the marker in the single crochet and then continue with linen stitch. So chain one, skip one, and single crochet in the next chain space. Okay. When the marker is on a single crochet and you don't need to do an increase, all you have to do is chain one, place the marker on that chain, and then continue on to the next stitch, which will be a single crochet in the chain space. So you will be skipping that single crochet where the marker was before and simply putting your marker in that new chain. Chain one, skip one, and continue in linen stitch.